Even if you don't have a powerful GPU, you can still do video generation through AI in the cloud. It's pretty easy and just takes a few clicks. There's no coding required, and it'll cost you $2.79 an hour, but that makes up for having to spend like $30,000 on a GPU. After you sign into RunPod, you'll have to fund your account with a minimum of $25. Once you do that, you click on Deploy. Pick an H100 NVL GPU. Go to Templates. Make sure that you type in Hunyuan to search for the template that you'll need, which has a pre-installation of the Hunyuan video and a Gradio installation to give you a front-end web interface. It's pretty easy, so click on that one. You'll see the name of it is Hunyuan Video App. Now set the disk space to 250 gigabytes each, just to be on the safe side. Also encrypt the volume, never hurts to do that, and then click Deploy, and just wait for the pod to spin up. Once you get here, you can click that purple down arrow, and it'll show you the progress of the pod being built. It might take you some time because it has to download the model. Click Connect, then click on HTTP service port 7860. This will open up the Gradio app. You can put in your parameters and settings. I've got the default stuff up there just for test, for example purposes. Under inference steps, I have it at 50. You can crank that up to 70, maybe 80, and you'll get much better quality than this cat. I also want to point out that you can turn up the width to 1280 and the height to 720 because this actually supports 720p lower end of high def, and you can turn up the number of inference steps to like 70 or 80. I tried that and it came out really crisp. You just have to make sure that you have enough budget for the hourly expense that it's going to take because it takes longer to make the video when you turn the settings up. I put a good amount of work into this channel and would appreciate if you're going to try RunPod that you please click my affiliate link down in the description. I'm not a direct associate with them. They're not like a sponsor or anything, but it just helps the channel out if you were to go through that way. Appreciate it. Thanks. If you found this video to be valuable or informative, please click the like button. Also, I make tutorials about how to do open source AI stuff in Linux, and I also test out open source LLMs. If that's of interest to you, please click the subscribe button, and I'll be doing this on a regular basis. I hope to see you in the next one.